We are recording.
Oh, we are?
Okay, we were talking about how our dog looks mentally I was like filming the curtain. How our dog looks mentally How our dog looks mentally challenged. Stop. Okay, ready? Look at his face. Can you see his face? Hold on. Here, will you hold him up? Oh, he crawled at me. He crawled at me. Stop it. Okay. See, like, his face is, like, super little. Okay, and we think that he might be mentally challenged. Because oh, he stinks really bad. Okay. He looks like chicken noodle face. Tether! See, like, look how small his face is compared to his body. He looks like a little Chewbacca thingy. I don't know how I look right now, but I don't care. Well, anyway, so I thought I'd record this moment in time because it's important. And time after sunshine, you yeah, okay.